If you can't tell, it's snowing. It's snowing pretty bad. It's kind of annoying how much it's snowing right now.
Snow watch!
We don't have watch, but we may be forced to snovel. We may be forced to shovel snow.
At 3 in the morning too, probably.
Yes.
Because there's already like a foot and they're not going to do it till like 3. It's the military, we procrastinate.
Yes. Anyways, this is why we don't have school tomorrow. Or a little brief preview. We'll show you more about this tomorrow.
When it gets worse.
When it gets a lot worse. Bigger flakes and everything. Anyways, I'm Cold and I'm Dylan.
What's up?
And Swegle.
Swegle.
And this is weather from Great Lakes.